Here is our 2022 registered 72 plate Auto-Sleeper Kingham van conversion. This is a 6-speed manual gearbox with the 2.2 litre Peugeot diesel engine on the boxer chassis, and having covered just 405 miles in absolutely fabulous condition. As we look inside the van, you can see this has got the new Zenek 9-inch multimedia screen. That is now your rear reversing camera, DAB radio, etc. And it's got all your connectivity for iOS or Android. Of course, you've got your 6-speed manual gearbox, and you've got your cruise control and cab air conditioning. Straight behind the driving area here, of course, you've got a beautiful setup with your settee here, leading them back into the van with your wardrobe, fridge below, and of course bed at the back. The bed can be used in a sit-up position, so you can see where the join is. That simply folds up to allow you to sit in the bed rather than lie if you want to watch TV or anything like that. On the opposite side of the van from the wardrobe and fridge, you've got your kitchen area, and you can see you've got a built-in cooker and combination grill. You've got a 3-burner hob, obviously your sink and hot and cold running water. You've got your microwave up there, and as we go further along into the bedroom area, you can see you've got some additional storage and vanity mirror. And if we open the bathroom area, you can see in there you've got toilet, shower in your wet room, and again large mirror. So really nice, comfortable space. If you would like to know more about this beautiful van, feel free to contact Derby Motorhomes on 01332 360 222. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.